Hare Krishna friends.
Hare Krishna friends. A zoo. So we will visit it. My father is standing on the line to get the ticket. Visit it. Let's go in.
Okay friends, so today we have come to visit this zoological park, Himalaya Mountaineering Institute also. So see the crowd, it's 11 o'clock. From this way we
Facility
came.
present in the zoo.
Yes, as you can see, it's written over there. It's a Padmaja Naidu Himalaya Zoological Park. See the crowd, and you can see the valley also. Huh? See the valley? Amazing. Do visit Darjeeling. This is the local market. We are now going inside the zoological garden, Himalaya Mountaineering Institute also. So let's go inside, friends. We have entered the zoo. This is the map. So we are right now at
Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park.
this is the entrance. We are right now at this one. So as you can see, so many animals are there. Black panther, common leopard, snow leopard,
Wow.
barking deer, Mishumi takin, blue sheep, markhor, shambar deer, and red panda is also there. Peasants, Himalayan newt, Asiatic black bear, Himalaya wolf, tiger,
Oh my god.
Himalaya monal. So
Guys, we will have so much fun. Make sure to stick to the video, like, share, subscribe. This is day 3 of our vlogs in Darjeeling. So let's visit this zoo.
Arya, you want to say something?
Yes, and it will be very fun. I am very happy.
She is very happy.
Me too. And I'm excited also.
When
Yes.
we go inside, we will see much of animals.
Yes, we will see many animals. Okay, friends, so let's go inside.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
See, the clouds are touching our feet. See. Oh. Local shops are there. Local shops are there. Here, like you can see some local dress photography. So you can wear local dress and you can have a photography over here. Okay, friends, so this is the way for going inside the zoo, and from staircase people are coming down. So this was the way to coming down, coming out of the zoo. Okay, so bear is
We
there.
can see Asiatic black bear over here.
Yes, Asiatic black bear.
They're omnivorous.
Yes.
Omnivorous are animals which eat veg and non-veg both.
Yes. See, friends, so there is a bear. He is there. Bear is there. देखो,
Oh my goodness!
see, as you can see, the bear.
This is the Asiatic black bear. Oh!
See, bear is taking nap, resting, and giving us a pose for photography. It's so nice of him.
Oh my god. It's the scary look.
Wow.
Hello.
Actually,
This is the Ballu from Jungle Book.
Jungle Book. It reminds us of Ballu from Jungle Book. And actually, it's a very close look of bear.
Oh, actually.
See,
I am very
very
scared.
less distance. How
A
much
few feet
distance?
only.
I am very scared.
Can't
He's
the bear
sleeping.
come
He's
over
sleeping.
here?
Actually, weather is so cool. So he's taking nap. See,
Peacefully.
Look at his claws.
we are lucky that He's taking nap over here. And he was
Oh
supposed.
my god, oh my god. He woke up.
Hello. Don't be angry.
Hello, Ballu.
Hello, Ballu.
Don't be
Oh my
angry.
god. He's acting like a human. He's just. Wow.
Don't be angry, Ballu.
Okay, so
First view, very good.
let's move forward.
Yeah.
Friends, we are going upside. See the weather. It's like we have entered in the Jurassic Park world. See the clouds, foggy. See the nature. Oh my God. See, we are walking in the woods. See the height of the trees. Hello. Just wow. See the weather. Because of the cloud, the roads are wet.
Oh, Simba and his friends.
Wow.
Yes, Simba and his friends. See the birds are chirping. So this one is monkey. Monkey is sitting here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So close.
Yes,
What two monkeys? Three monkeys.
monkeys are sitting
Four
here.
monkeys.
It's in grey langur.
See,
And their face
Wow.
is black.
Hello, monkey.
Hello, monkey. Hi. Yeah. Sitting and sleeping, huh?
We have never seen this type of zoo, guys.
It's like a
we are at Sambar deer spot. So let's see whether
Wow.
we can
We can see
found,
them.
found
Where is
them.
it?
Oh, 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 oh.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh.
See, so many are sleeping over there.
Yeah.
Wow. What an experience, guys.
Sambar deer.
This
If
is
you
the
come to
second.
Darjeeling, make sure to come at this geological park.
Yes. See. See, these are
Isn't
sleeping.
it amazing?
It's a Sambar deer.
It's very good. Oh, they're eating something. Sit here.
See the
Look,
clouds and everything. It's like this is their home. It looks very neat and clean. So they have maintained very well actually.
let's move.
Now we have come to the point of blue ship. Let's see if we can find.
So close. Sheep.
Oh, 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 oh. Baba, black sheep.
How you are river?
This is white.
Yes, white sheep. That is also there.
You haven't moved?
See the weather there.
Hello.
Why isn't the sheep listening to us?
So this is the ship.
He's having fun in this cold weather.
Yes.
So let's move on to the next one.
Let's
See
see
the
that.
weather. See the weather. We are going into the clouds now. Oh, see
So
upstairs.
beautiful flowers. Pink.
Upstairs also something is there. This is the way we came from. We are going upwards.
Yes.
Let's see here. We can find something.
No, there's no.
No, it's nothing over here. Yeah, it's
Oh,
there.
there's something. See?
It's there. It's
That's
there.
black and white.
What's there? It's a yak.
Oh, it's
This
yak.
is the
Oh, here's
yak pond.
Here's yak. Here's yak, black and white.
Oh, he's big.
Very big.
That's yak.
Actually, first time we have seen
It was the yak.
yak very close.
Yes, very close. Yes.
Because of fog and cloud,
Seen a yak so
it's
close.
a very hazy. You get the look,
Yes,
hazy look.
because of clouds.
Very nice place.
You know the body length of yak? It's 6 feet.
Oh,
The body length.
What was the banana? Let's move to next.
Yes, see here. If we,
1000 kg. They weigh 1000 kg.
yes.
Equivalent to 1 ton. Equivalent to 1 car. Oh my god. They're
Moving
smaller.
into the clouds now.
They are smaller than a car, but they weigh more.
Yes, it's many. It's very. Come to the next one.
We are enjoying so much.
We have to climb this. We'll get tired, I think. Not kids, but I will get tired for sure.
Mishmitakin. What's that?
It's a Mishmitaki.
It's 300 to 350 kgs, males. And females are 250
Let's
to
see whether
300.
we can find this. It's a very Mishmitaki.
Where is it?
ऊपर देख कितने अंतर लगते वी आर इनसाइड द क्लाउड्स
Mishmitaki. Yes. So over there,
चलो लोकेशन
Mishmitaki. Yes, it's over there. Behind that stone. See, this one is the Mishmitaki. Only we can find the one only. Very cloudy. It's there, Mishmitaki.
Where?
One is there, behind the
बाग
stone.
इधर मिलेगा आपको
Friends, we are heading towards upside. See the length of the trees. It's 11:30. Can you believe this weather? It's 11:30 and no sun rays is there. We are walking into the clouds. See, the roads are wet. This one is rope gliding. Rope gliding spot.
Look guys, there are ropes.
Rope gliding spot. It's a rope gliding. So we'll find many activities over there. This one is the Himalaya Mountaineering Institute. Exploring some activities like treetop rope course, indoor rock climbing museum, mountaineering view. Everything is there. See, in winter time you will get snow over here. This one is the gliding point, rope gliding point. See, this is the rope gliding point.
हॉरिजॉन्टल है ना वर्टिकल है
It's zip line.
See, there is a queue for rope gliding. This is the view. Let's one come. I will show you. See. We are enjoying very much. See the queue. There is the queue for rope gliding. This is the ice cream point. See the weather. Everyone is wearing woolen clothes and people are enjoying ice cream also. See the weather. So we have come upwards through this way, and this is the way for this mountain activity. If you don't want to go to mountain, then from this way to this way you have to go for a zoo visit. Continue your zoo visit from this road. So let's go. So this one is the Bengal tiger, our Royal Bengal tiger spot. But we cannot spot the Royal Bengal tiger over here. This one is the cave. It's Dane. He must be inside because it's raining and it's drizzling. So I think every animal should be in the den. Yes.
Is there snow leopard here?
Just
The Royal Bengal tiger here.
It's a Royal Bengal tiger.
You can see the tiger there. If you go
Oh, it's
right now.
there?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's there.
The security
Okay.
guy told us to see that.
Okay, fine. So, we'll go to check Royal Bengal tiger.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, it's there.
এখানে কি আছে দেখো, লেপার্ড আছে বাবা, এখানে লেপার্ড আছে।
Huh?
কোথেকে লেপার্ড আছে?
ये ऊपर में कॉमन लेपर्ड है आपका, वो म्यूजियम भी देख सकती है, वाइल्ड लाइफ के म्यूजियम
Tiger किधर है?
रिकॉर्डिंग टिकट
दादा, where is tiger?
डाउन देयर
Down there.
जस्ट फील वॉक फॉर यू
Oh, see. Yeah. Oh my God.
Tiger.
See, friends? Oh, huge.
Oh my god.
This one is
Wow.
I didn't see tiger.
too huge. See,
He's not slim like other zoos.
Sher Khan of Mowgli. Meet the Sher Khan of Mowgli. In fact, in our Kolkata Alipur Zoological Garden, you can't find this type of healthy tiger.
They all are slim and weak.
Wow, this tiger is in very good condition, very much healthy, and giving us a pose. Thank you, Sher Khan.
Sher Khan.
So really,
He came closer.
yes.
He's roaming around.
Hold her. See, friends, this is the closer look.
Oh wow.
He's coming.
Look at his teeth.
Ah.
What a look.
See, this one is the tiger, and this one is another. And it's a tiger.
बेंगाल टाइगर आयो
Oh!
उधर जाना है, पीछे जाना है? कहाँ जाना है?
टाइगर જેમ ઝુમા કઈ જો
हाँ?
બીજું કઈ જોયું છે? બીજું કઈ સ્નો લેપર્ડ કે એવું કંઈ?
જસ્ટ અમે અહીંયા આવ્યા
અમે પણ અત્યારે આવ્યા, હા.
Share नहीं है.
He's giving the pose. See? Oh! Ah! And another one is sitting over there. Sitting over there.
અહીંયા બીજું અહીંયા છે હેર અલગ જ છે
वेरी रेयर कॉमन लेपर्ड बंगाल नेचुरल हिस्ट्री म्यूजियम, वाइल्ड लाइफ का म्यूजियम, वो भी देख सकते हैं आप। पहले ऊपर देखिए, इधर से
समाधि है ना, देखो तो समाधि देख रही है।
So, as per our zoological instructor, we should go upward side. The crowds are going to visit our Royal Bengal tiger. Thank you, Dada.
वेलकम।
We are going upward as per our instructor, that we can see more species. So let's go upward, friends. So this one is the common leopard. Aryan is very much energetic. I think he got a closer look. Okay.
लेपर्ड
Oh my god, it's common leopard.
छोटा वाला घूम रहा है, वो बड़ा वाला बैठा ही है उधर अभी।
See, friends, this is the common leopard.
तो के बैठा है।
We have seen the snow leopard is resting behind the trees.
It's roaming. Normal leopard is roaming.
सो रहा है? उसके स्पॉट्स अलग है।
यार ये क्या साइड टाइगर ऐसे
See its cage. Usually what happen, no, friends, if we go to zoo, there is some stinking smell, but I don't feel here. It's a very well maintained. I cannot find any stinking smell over there.
they're healthy.
Yes,
Not like Alipur Zoo,
Oh my god, it's
they're not
All
feeding
are-
them properly.
all are
like a baby
all are
tiger.
very much healthy.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello,
Leopard,
Mr. Leopard.
Leopard, come. What are you doing?
He's a baby.
Yes, it's like a baby on me.
Yeah, it's a baby leopard.
He's maybe 10, 12, something like that.
Yes. I think it's
He's
6
roaming
years.
around. He's playing.
Hello, leopard.
Everywhere board is there, keep silence. And the instructor also continuously saying everyone that keep
He also has
silence.
a sign.
Yes. So the animal will not get scared from we animal,
And it was written, don't feed animals and don't tease animals.
because we are also animals.
Hello. See, it's Mowgli's photo.
And
See?
panther.
Yes.
Okay, this one is the selfie point. हम साथ साथ है. So this is the family point. Selfie point.
I know that tiger.
So Arya
This is Bagheera.
Arya is going for a. See friends, this one is
Rooster. Silver pheasant.
okay. It's a silver pheasant.
And the small one is Rosato cocato.
Okay.
This is the silver pheasant.
Yes.
Again,
And
it's here also.
this brown one is also there. If you can spot, this one is white one.
See? It's rainbow. It's rainbow there.
Oh 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 oh. See what Arya found. Oh my God.
Rainbow.
See the bird.
Oh, sit head also.
Oh my god. It's better than a tiger.
What a look.
I never seen this.
And
See friends. See
Oh
friends.
wow, I've never seen this. Wow.
And there is two small birds. Can you see?
Without letters, verbally, nothing should be communicated.
See one is sitting over there.
Even Ramola ji told me to talk to you.
There is a woodpecker. See?
I don't know why.
It's climbing. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello.
This one is friends black owl.
Oh.
Wow.
There is a look. See, there is a parrot.
Wow, what noise is he making?
Oh my god. That's very cute. Oh.
Friends, this one is Bengal Natural History Museum.
So we rented this.
So we are right now Himalayas wolf. See the closer look of wolf.
Wow. He should be grey, but it's Himalayan, but that's why.
So our Mowgli family is there. Akira is there.
What a look.
Thank you, Akira, for giving us a pose.
Look, there is one inside also.
Yes, yes. I
He's
think
sleeping.
many
Yeah,
are
many. He's
inside.
sleeping. They are sleeping.
Yes.
Oh.
Hey, go inside.
I think
Whole wolf pack is there. Full family.
Oh my god, don't look me. Hey, yo.
Very close.
expect if we would come over here, like we could jump.
Oh, another one is big.
Another one is waking up. I think. So friends, these are the lemurs we saw from downstairs. They are so close. They are cuddling each other. Oh, look at this baby monkey.
See friends, yeah,
So close there. Look at
the
this.
baby is
इधर से क्लोज
playing.
है पापा, इधर से क्लोज है
The elders are having a talk.
Elders are having meeting.
Future है future.
Family time.
Family bonding.
Let's move on.
Friends, we will see a red panda.
We are moving. We are going towards to Red Panda Point. Let's see whether we can spot him or not. See the red panda. Interesting facts about red panda: false thumb, fluffy tail, vigorous bamboo eater, excellent climber. As we can spot him on the tree. Oh,
Oh, another one at the down. So much.
see friends, red panda.
Red panda.
See friends, very closer look of red panda. Just wow.
It's 12 to 13 years.
What Aryan?
You know the lifespan. It's 12 to 13 years.
12 to 13 years of span of the red panda. It's a very
Their
fluffy
weight
tail.
is 6 kg only. 3 to 6
Okay.
kg.
So these are the red panda facts.
Red. They eat mostly bamboo and may eat small mammals, birds, eggs, goats.
See, it's moving.
Wow! It's so cute.
Hey, look at us.
See friends, weather is now very clear. Weather is very abrupt in Darjeeling. Sometimes raining, sometimes cloudy. Do visit this museum. See, so goodbye Ballu. So we are exiting the zoo. See friends, now the weather has changed. See, weather has changed. So you can't find any cloud over here now. So all things are clear. Everyone is getting up from jackets. So we are entering the zoo from this side and we have exited the zoo from this side. See, it's little bit of warm now. No clouds over here. See the valley getting more clear now. Clear look. Clear look of valley. Huh? There is no cloud over here. So we are moving out the zoo. Thank you friends. Thank you friends for watching. Thank you Ballu. Stay healthy everyone. Stay happy. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.